Hello and welcome to Your Positive Mind podcast, a guided meditation using your senses and brought to you by theartofrealhappiness.com. I'm Andrew and I'll be guiding you through this meditation. I am very grateful for being part of your journey. Meditation will help you to reduce your stress, to control your thoughts, and provide you a sense of peace and balance while working on your personal growth. If you are new to meditation, know that there is no right or wrong way to meditate. Whatever you experience during this meditation is right for you. Don't try to make anything happen. Just let me guide you and observe. Today, we will experience mindful breathing meditation. This practice will guide you to relax by focusing on your breath. It will dissolve your anxiety, boost your immune system, and allow the body to heal in a relaxed and peaceful state. This session is also perfect to improve your concentration and awareness. Let's start with our meditation. Mindful breathing meditation. Find a relaxed and comfortable position. My guidance will assume you are sitting, but adapt the instructions to whatever posture you've chosen. Sitting with your back upright, but not too tight. Place your hands on your knees, or in any position that feels comfortable. Allow your body to rest down into gravity, letting it be supported by the floor beneath you. And gently close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. Be aware of your presence and notice your body, the shape of your body and its weight. Let go of all tensions you can feel in your body. Let yourself relax and become curious about your body seated here. The sensations it experiences, the touch, the feel, the connection with the ground. Relax any areas of tightness or tensions and breathe. Focus on your breathing and start by taking a deep breath. Hold for 2 seconds and exhale. Inhale, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale. Inhale, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale. Now come back to the natural flow of your breath. You don't need to do anything to your breath. Not long, not short, just natural. Notice how your body connects with your breath. Feel the air in your body. It might be in your nostrils, in your throat, maybe in your chest, or in your abdomen. Keep observing the natural flow of your breath and just feel the sensations of each breath. From time to time, you might notice that your mind may start to wander. It is very natural if this happens. Just notice that your mind has wandered and gently redirect your attention right back to your breath. I will now let you focus on your breathing, just for a minute or two. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If your mind is wandering, simply return your attention to your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let yourself relax even more deeply. Inhale, exhale. Feel the air filling your lungs with energy and pure serenity. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel how peaceful and fulfilling it is to be one with your mind and your body. It is now time to reconnect slowly. Whenever you feel ready, just slowly open your eyes and offer yourself some appreciation for taking the time to reconnect, relax, and center yourself. Take this state of inner peace and harmony with you. And remember, be kind to one another, including yourself. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. Please share this journey with someone who will benefit from it as much as you did. Your positive mind wishes you an amazing day, filled with love and serenity. And for more positivity, visit our website, theartofrealhappiness.com.